up here. Just give me a little time. Just send me a message, please. Alright. Some persons are in the waiting room as well. Alright. I need to do something, you know. There's something that I need to do. It's up here. I need to take off this, yeah. Yeah, I think this is it. I soon text you here. I soon text you. I know what you want. Cool, right? I soon text you. Alright, guys. I should be seeing my screen now. Alright, just give me a second though. We're gonna
Sir?
start in 2 minutes.
Sir, it says that you're live right now.
Call me and tell him so I'm gonna text him.
Sir?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
On YouTube it says that you're live.
Yeah, but I discuss it with you guys first, right? Yeah, man, we are live, guys. Alright, we still have a class normal though.
Watching it, sir.
No, man, more people will come on. It's fine. Alright, guys, let's go. So the first one says, select the set that is most suitable to represent the data below. The persons who are texting me, I soon respond to you guys. Because everybody wait. Everybody wait till the last minute. That's why it kind of confusing. Let me let on the others then. Alright, Rory, your time now. I think I sent everybody this now.
Sir, are we going to go through it together or we are supposed to send you our answers?
We're doing it same like how we normally do it. Send the answers, guys. And then we discuss. Same way. Nothing no change. We just sharing with others.
So what about C and D?
Oh, yeah, man, I'm coming to that. Alright, let's go, guys. Let's go. Because everybody calling me and I have to be texting everyone. I'm distracted. But let's get ready. Alright, first one says select the set that is most suitable to represent the data below. A, the U represent landforms. A represent hills and mountains. B represent valleys and plain. So they are basically saying which of these Venn diagram would represent this data given here. U represent the union, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So which one would represent, which Venn diagram would represent the actual data?
Sir, I sent you my answer. Sir? Sir, did you see my answer?
Just send them, guys.
Sir, can I?
Kira will walk us through this one. Guys, we can't take no call now, please. Just WhatsApp me. So sorry about that. May I fear reject calls. Alright. Kira, go ahead now, because we need to get started, guys. It's 9 past. Let's go. Give the explanation and make we start if we agree or not.
Okay, so it says select the set that is most suitable to represent the data below. U equals landforms, and you know that U equals the union. A equals hills and mountains, and B equals valleys and plains. I say C because U, which is the union, and they're all landforms, but hills, mountains, valleys, and plains don't really have anything in common, as in hills and mountains, they have things in common. Valleys and plains have things in common, but hills, mountains, valleys, and plains do not have anything in common. So that means they will not be a joint set. So,
Okay, do we agree?
yes, sir.
Yeah, I agree as well. In the earlier class, someone was saying, sir, I'm trying to remember what the person was saying. He was saying between the hills, you'd have the valleys, or between the mountains, you would have plains. But I think it would have been C because one is flat and the one is upright, right? So I would say C as well.
Sir, I wouldn't agree with that either, sir, because sir, hills, mountains, valleys, and plains, sir, there's hardly anything you can name which are similar because hills and mountains they're like tall landforms there, so maybe that's one thing you can say for them. But for valleys and plains, you can't really match anything with hills and mountains.
Yeah. All right.
Sir.
Yeah, man. Somebody else have an input. Go ahead.
Sir, I put D, sir.
All right. D. All right. LCH for D. I never even look at D. All right, what's the argument for D?
So the reason why I chose D, sir, because landforms are created, but landforms create hills and mountains, and hills and mountains makes valley and plains. So I chose D. That's the reason why I chose D, sir.
All right. So you're saying that hills actually make the plains and the valleys?
Yeah.
Anybody else can confirm that?
Sir, I do not agree. No. Plains are landforms. If hills make up plains and valleys, that to me that wouldn't make any sense because hills are and plains and valleys, so hills cannot make up plains and valleys.
So I think what Brian is saying, they are not different. Is hills make the valleys and the plain? That's what you're saying, Brian?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let us check our reliable source, Google. So I'm typing in what are plains and valleys formed from. And let's see what Google says. Plains and valleys are formed from erosion, deposition of materials by rivers, wind. I don't think it said that, So I think we are gonna stick with the C. You see why, guys, why the reason I'm Googling it because I don't know much about landforms like that. So I had to check out what Brian said, but Google says it's not true. Wait no, Raji. Google said that is not true. Go ahead now, Raji. Go ahead now, Raji.
So, hills and mountain would make a plain.
But that's what he's saying why he chose D. That's what Brian is saying.
But
But
how would it make a plain, sir? How would a hill and a mountain make a plain?
But what is a plain? A plain is basically flatland, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. And mountain and hills are tall highlands.
So I guess he's saying that when it wash away, when the mountain wash away, that's when mountains are formed, right?
Sir, but we
Sir?
have big mountains, sir, and when the rains
Sir?
are sir, it doesn't really turn into plain, so it's still a high mountain or a hill.
Sir?
All right. Yeah, man, go ahead. Make the
A
next
plane,
point, and then we'll
a
move on.
sir, a plane is a lowland below 100 meters.
Sir,
Okay, thanks so much.
sir,
Sir?
Hmm?
Sir?
plains are large flatland. It is usually covered in grass.
Okay. So we are saying that
Sir?
it's not D then, right? I think everybody
Sir,
basically
what's
saying that.
DD? Sir? Sir?
So is that the equal sign for D, sir?
No, man, I didn't say for D. I think Brian had said it was for D because he was saying that one contains the other. So he was saying that the other one is formed from the other. That's why he chose
Sir,
D.
so
But
may I
guys, let
explain,
us
sir,
move
can I
on to the next question. I think we kind of agree that it's C. If we can do some more research on it and we can prove that it's not, then I'm always open to that. All right.
sir, can I explain this one, sir?
All right. So you will explain this one, but everyone do it. It said 4 times a number is 400. Convert the statement to form an equation. A says 4x is equal to 100. B says 4 plus x is equal to 100. C says 4 is equal to 400 divided by x. And D says 4x is 400. Let me see what you guys think for this one. What's up, me guys? Let me see. Let me check out what I go on if it a show up on YouTube.
Subscribe to Harry and Bell channel.
All right, guys. I will not get to respond to every single person, but I'm gonna but still send your answers. So Jonathan is gonna explain. Ready, Jonathan?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
Go ahead, Jonathan.
Alright, sir. 23. 4 times a number is 400. Convert this statement to form an equation. So, sir, when I read it, sir, I thought I saw like 4x equal 4x equal to 400, sir, but that's not the option, sir. So, sir, I wouldn't say it's B because, sir, when you add 4 plus 100, sir, you do not get 400, you get 104. So B cannot be the answer, sir.
Okay.
Wait.
No, man, allow Jonathan to finish, guys. We don't cut off each other. We have
sir, I
never
got
done that.
sir.
No, we have never done that. Just allow him to finish. Go ahead, Jonathan. We don't do that, guys. We respect each other at all times.
We
Go ahead.
listen and we don't judge.
Continue, Jonathan. Sorry about that. That person is new
Okay.
as well, so they probably don't know we don't do that. Go ahead.
So, sir, the reason why it cannot be C, sir, because, sir, it would say like 4, sir. It would say 4 equal to 400 divided by x. Sir, we do not know what is x, sir. So it cannot be C, sir. And for D, sir, is that convert, sir, for D?
It's a 4x equal 400. This is actually equal.
Oh. Okay, that was like conversion.
It's a convert the statement to form an equation. So what answer you choose?
Oh, I thought, so I didn't see it, sir. Well, I chose D. Because,
D as
sir,
in dog?
yes, sir, cannot be A, sir, because in the statement, sir, it didn't say that you have to divide it, sir. But it said that 4x would equal to 400. So you'd write this as 4x, like put an X, and then you put equal and you put 400. That's what the
Okay.
question is saying, sir.
All right. So Jonathan thinks it's
Sir,
D. What
sir,
baby think?
I agree. Sir, I agree, sir.
Sir,
I agree.
I agree.
Sir,
All right,
I
Reggie,
agree,
go
sir.
ahead. Reggie always a
I
fancy
agree,
talk.
sir.
Go ahead, Reggie.
Sir,
Reggie,
I
I'll
agree.
give you person's time to finish though, Reggie. We don't cut off each other. Go ahead.
Sorry about that. Did you know that if you already know the rule for algebra, that you could easily do this?
Yeah, I agree. Because it's saying 4 times a number equal 400. Since as we go in algebra, what would be the value of x?
Sir, 100, sir.
100.
100.
Sir,
Yeah,
4
yeah.
times.
Then, sir, when you multiply it by 4, so you get 400, sir.
Yeah. So you see why it couldn't be A, right?
Yes,
Because
sir.
the
But it did.
result is
Yes,
not
sir.
400. He said the number is 400.
And,
So
sir,
Sorry, sir, A might be confusing for some persons who may not know the rule that 4x means 4 multiplied by a number. So they may select A or so, but actually the answer would be D.
yeah, yeah. True. Very good.
Sir,
I'm so proud of you guys. All
sir,
right, I can move on to 24. Yeah, Reggie.
for A, it's just directly saying that x equals 25.
Yeah, I agree. The value for A would have been 25. X would have been 25. Thanks so much. All right, let's look at this one. It said, which model is shaded to show a fraction equivalent to 3 out of 6? I'm going to show you D shortly. All right. Which model is shaded to show a shape equivalent to 3 over 6? Let me small it up a bit so the YouTuber them can see too. All right, so WhatsApp me this, guys, and then we can discuss. If you're on YouTube, you want WhatsApp me? See my number here. Those who are joined from YouTube, you still can WhatsApp me, even though you're not my student yet. You can never tell, guys. Probably one day, you guys might be my student. So we have to look for life and help out each other.
Sir, did you know that is how I'm here right now? I used to watch you on YouTube. And
Yeah,
then my
yeah,
mom
he
started
told me.
Me too, sir.
Yeah, Tori J told me that she had to cry to come into my class because her grandmother would not let her come. She said she watched me from grade 4, and then she told her grandmother from grade 4, and she didn't put her. So she said in grade 5 she cried.
Talk about the grade 4 Pepper they used to watch you.
Sir, I
Also,
asked my mom to let me come into your class.
yeah,
And she
yeah.
said,
Thanks,
Yeah, my mom
guys.
just tied me up.
Thanks so much, guys.
And
Thanks.
just subscribe to you. Watching videos on YouTube, but I did not know that you had a class like that. I
Oh,
wasn't
yeah, yeah. Because
about
then
that.
we already used to come. We never used to go live when we have class, and so that's why I just
Yeah,
used to record different.
and let me join
But
you.
then students say, "Sir, why you don't make we go on YouTube live?" And I say, "All right, let me try it." And then I research how to do it, and here we are. Guys, you know, some most things when me ever be successful at a students tell me to do it. Like students tell me to start YouTube. I didn't want to start a YouTube. When they first said that, I was saying, why would I have a YouTube when you have millions of videos on YouTube? And then afterward, I thought about it and I just do it. So students are leaders as well, as you guys are really smart. That's why I want you guys to practice and do well, guys, because I know you guys are smart. Oh, we didn't get a volunteer for this one. Which mod is shaded to show a fraction equivalent to 3 over 6? Joshua? Alright, so Joshua Williams. You can do the next one. Joshua was the first one I saw. It's two Joshua, you know. I texted the wrong Joshua the other day. I need to save it the last name. Because I was thinking that Joshua got a different number, but it's two Joshua. Alright, so this one is Williams. Ready, Williams?
Yes, sir.
Alright, go ahead. What
Okay, sir.
model?
So the question says, which model is shaded to show a fraction equivalent to 3 over 6? So, sir, if you were supposed to break down 3 over 6, you could use 3, sir.
Mm-hmm.
So when you break down 3 over 6, when you use 3, sir, 3 into 1 will go, 3 into 3 will go 1 time, sir. And 3 into 6 will go 2 times, sir, and that's equal to a half. So D is a half circle, sir, so D would be the answer.
Alright. Class, do we agree? Joshua
Yes, sir,
think it's
I
D.
agree.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
So I agree with you.
Alright,
Yes,
big
sir,
up
I
Kira
agree.
Dawson. Big up Kira Dawson on YouTube. Yeah. Alright. So guys, this is D. I agree. Some persons might be tempted to think C, you know, guys. But you see, even if we should split this, guess what? It's not gonna give us 6 holes. You see?
Yes, sir. That was my first answer, no, sir. And then when I tried doing it and I put it in my book, sir, I just said it can't because you can't do all 6 of them.
Yeah, very good. Because remember, with fraction, the parts should be equal. Dawson, I can't answer you. I'm on class.
Yes,
On
sir.
YouTube, guys, what you call me? But we can't answer. All right. So this would have been. Why Dawson not call me back? Dawson I can't answer. All right, all right. Ashara. Take care, Ashara. You see, guys, it couldn't be this because when we do it in the parts have to be equal. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be 5 parts and not 6, right? And this would actually be 3 over 5. All right.
Sir, no really center, but even if you
Sir,
still try it, the line that you drew it no center, but even if you did try it, you wouldn't get back the same size.
sir, I really
Yeah,
didn't look
true.
at C, sir, because for me, sir, C, it looked like, you see, like I have the whole one, sir, at the one side, sir. I thought it
Yeah.
would have been like 3 and 1 whole, sir, to me, if you look at it, sir. I was like,
Yeah.
I couldn't
Feel.
really look at C and the
Yeah.
others I shouldn't have looked at. So I just went down to D and split a half and then I selected D.
Yeah. All right. Good job, guys. Good job. So we're on to 25. This one can be a little bit tricky, so I want everyone to read it carefully. Read it at least 3 times. Those who read fast, read it 4 times. All right. So it says Sarah or Sarah. I don't know how you guys pronounce it. Sarah
Sarah.
eats. Sarah. All right. Sarah eats 1 full bar of chocolate. Then she divides another one into 5 equal parts and eats 3 of those parts. The total number of chocolates that she has eaten in fraction is A 2/5, B 3/5, C 8/5. I want you guys to look at it very carefully. Don't just run to any
Sir,
conclusion, guys.
Sir,
Take your time.
Can I explain, sir?
Sarah is spelled with a H, and
Who,
Sarah is
who,
just
who is the
spelled with a
Sir,
volunteer?
can I
Somebody
explain this,
volunteer.
please?
Then
Kelly,
divide.
Elila? Nicardo. All right, so
Wait,
Nicardo
sir.
Walker.
Sir was keep on saying me.
Oh, Nita. All right, both of you then. Since as both of your names start with N, all right? That all
Okay.
right, Nathan? I didn't hear.
5 parts.
But,
It is
but
3
sir,
out of 2.
the person who just did the
B.
361, I said it and you said that they were going to go and after I would go.
All right, so Kelila will go as well. After your name, right? Yeah, man, we can hear from both, all of you. All right?
Sir.
Yeah, Jonathan.
Sir, my mic was on, sir. I didn't realize,
A
sir.
chocolate bar normally come with 10 squares, not true.
No, it's not what normally happening, no. It's what the question gives.
No,
It says Sarah
no, all right, so that means
Sarah
this one
eats.
is 10. Because there's no 6 option, so that means the option would be D.
Guys, do it for yourself, all right? It says Sarah eats 1 full bar of chocolate, then she divides another one into 5 equal parts and eats 3 of those parts. The total number of chocolate that she has eaten in fraction is, I think this one is going to be a problem, you know. Let's see if those 3 persons, Nicardo, Nathan, and Kelila. No, oh, parents, please do not help them. I think I heard an adult say something, you know. No, man, allow them. These are
Sir, I
smart
got
kids. They
C,
can
sir.
figure it out. No, man, don't take no help, guys. I rather you
Sir,
get it wrong and we discuss it. I don't want you. You
excuse
don't need
me,
no
sir.
help from nobody. Go
So
ahead.
I understand the question, sir.
Oh,
Understand the
oh.
question, sir. I
Oh, something
understand.
else here. Okay. All right.
Excuse me, sir. Can I also explain, sir?
All right.
Sir,
So we're going to only 4 though. We can't go beyond 4.
excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, it's spelled wrong. It's Keirr. Sir,
K-E, yeah, the E come before the I.
the I.
All right.
Sir,
Sorry about that. Yeah, man, go ahead.
I got C.
No, man, you can't call out your answer like that. These are the persons gonna present, and then if you disagree with them, you should. Oh, you knew, you know. What? But this is my number. Send it to this, but don't call it out. Want each person.
Sir, I said my answer in WhatsApp.
All right, thanks. Keep them coming, guys.
May also.
So the 4 presenters, we're just gonna take one after the other. I'm not gonna give my input. So after Nicardo, Nathan just chip in, then Kelila just chip in, and then Kira just chip in. Each person just chip in after one after the other. And then I'll put it out and see if everybody agree or disagree. All right?
Okay, sir.
So we're gonna start with Nicardo. Go ahead, Nicardo.
So Sarah eats 1 full bar of chocolate, which is 5. Then she divides another one into 5 equal parts and eats 3 of those parts. The total number of chocolate that she has eaten in fraction is. I choose D because if you put two full bar of chocolate would be 10. That's why the bottom number will be 10. Then he first she ate 5, then she ate the other 3, then I add it up and I got 18.
Okay. All right, Nathan, your time.
Sir, I pick A, sir.
Yeah, what's the reason?
Sir, in my words, sir, I said that because it says Sarah eats 1 full bar of chocolate, then she divides another one into 5 equal parts and eat 3 of those parts. The total number of chocolates that she eaten in fraction is. So she divide another one into 5, sir. So
You're thinking about your answer, you know, think is that anymore?
no, sir, I think it's B, sir.
think it's 3/5.
Yes, sir, because if they divide another one into 5, so you'd have 6 and you subtract 3 from 6, that left 3/5.
Okay. Thanks so much. Kalila, your time. And then Kira.
Sir, I pick B because it says she ate 3 parts of the chocolate out of the 5 that she split it into, and it wants to know the total she eaten in fractions. So it will be
B, 3/5. All right. Kira, your
Sir,
time.
I got C 8/5, sir, because she ate 1 full chocolate bar. So that's bar. So that's a whole. And then she divides another one into 5 equal pieces. So she just cut them up into 5 equal pieces and eats 3 out of those 5 equal pieces, sir. So, sir, to me, it would have, when you break down 8/5, sir, you know that's the improper fractions, you have to break it down, sir, and you get a whole number and a fraction, sir. And since you ate one whole bar of chocolate, sir, I know that you have to have a whole number. So when you break it down, sir, 8/5 broken down, sir, you would have 3/5 and 1 whole because you ate 1 full chocolate bar, and you want to know how much is the total number of chocolate she ate, sir. So that's how I got C, sir.
Okay. All right. Class, I'm going to throw it out to you. You hear the 4 presenters.
Sir, I agree
One say
with
2/5, one say 3/5, one say
Sir, I
8/10, one say 8/5.
Yes, sir, I
Who
agree.
we agree with?
8/5.
I'm gonna go with that one too, guys. All arguments are solid except for 2/5. So we cannot show 2/5 because the person said nobody agree with that. So we show it out too. But
I was saying it was D, no, sir, but after a time I was thinking about it and I picked B.
Sir,
yeah.
it says it says she split 1 chocolate bar into 5 pieces and she
5
ate 3
equal
of them.
pieces, right?
What is
5
the total
equal
she
pieces.
eat out the 5? She ate 3 out of the 5, so it'd be B. I was very positive it would have been C, sir, because
All right, hold on. So guys, someone is saying that it's 3/5.
B.
All right, let's see. Let me tell you why I agree with C. I give everybody the chance, Let me say why I may agree with C. All right, it says Sarah eats 1 full bar. 1. This is literally saying 1 whole. That's what my interpretation is. Because it says 1 full bar. 1 full bar. I'm thinking this is 1 whole. As somebody said to me this morning, I think it was Jeremiah, he said that eating the chocolate bar for the whole would have been 5/5. So that's the approach I'm gonna take, what Jeremiah took this morning. For the whole, it would have been 5/5 because all we know is 5 because they say the person further take another chocolate bar and cut it up in 5 equal parts. And out of that 5 equal parts, she ate 3/5.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, I got C because Sarah eats 1 full bar of chocolate and it can be represented as a fraction 1/1, or you can simplify 1. And then Sarah divides a second chocolate bar into 5 equal parts and she eats 3. It can be represented as 3/5. And then to find the total amount of chocolate Sarah ate, we add the fractions.
Yeah, I am going to agree with that.
We need a common denominator, which is 5. We rewrite 1 as 5/5. And then I add 5/5 plus 3/5. And I got 8/5.
Yeah, I agree with that. But I kind of know why persons would be thinking 8/10, because they're saying that the fraction denominator would have been 10. But remember, these are 2 separate bars. It wasn't 1 bar, right? It's not 1 bar, it's 2 separate bars. So it's 2 holes. So I'm gonna go with C, guys. Those who on YouTube, you can leave a comment in the comment section as well, alright? I haven't been paying much attention. Show a class, but big up everybody on YouTube, see me.
Or can
They
I
don't know. Yeah,
Sir,
it's,
did you want to know?
Sir, you want to know why I said B?
yeah.
Why is because a whole entire chocolate bar, because I would say a regular whole entire chocolate bar has like about 10 squares.
Yeah, but that's what I was saying to you, you know. It's not about the regular, it's about the question. And students tend to do that at times, right? But think about the question itself. They didn't say that the whole was 10, even if it's usually. I don't know if it, I know you guys eat away for chocolate, so probably you guys know.
Sir, and
And the
also,
small
sir,
one has 5.
sir, she has to use the information which is given, sir, because
Yeah, I
if
agree with Kira.
given,
It's best
you
to
will
use this
fail.
information. We don't want to assume stuff, right?
Sir,
Yeah.
want to know how I got A before I pick B?
Yeah, tell us.
Sir, when I read it again, sir, I realized that I made a mistake. That the reason why I pick A, sir, because I thought it was only say, if
How much
3,
left?
yeah, almost
Yeah.
the
For real, you know, for real. Because
Excuse me.
if it was one, then if you ate 3, how many left? Would be 2
Yeah.
over 5. Guys, you know, I was doing a video and I make a mistake. Let me tell you what happened. It was actually a grade 4 paper.
Yes,
And
sir.
when I
But
was reading the question, and it showed a picture with some children standing and few were sitting. When I was reading, I did not see the word standing. Because me I look at them standing, it question asks how many were sitting. But when I was reading it, I said how many were standing. So that can happen to anyone. That's why I say read it more than once and rewrite the information that they give. So I couldn't say one full bar as I can't pronounce the person with the X name. That person is new. 1 whole or 5 over 5. So you write down them information there. If you see this in front of you, you know, the 1 whole or 5 over 5, then you start to say, okay, it has to be, she eat more than 1 chocolate bar. All of these are less than 1, you know. 2/5, 3/5, 8 over 10. All of these less than 1. But she ate 1 full bar. That's all. So that's one of the way that you can look at it. Write down the information that is given and then you take it from there. All right?
Sir,
Yeah, man,
I
go
think
ahead.
the person's name that begins with X is pronounced Xiaomi.
Show me.
it's like the like
Can that
I
person
think so.
confirm?
it
You
pronounced
can
like a
confirm?
Now, sir, I think that person's correct.
like Zolang.
How you pronounce your name?
Yeah.
Xiaomi.
Is it?
Zayomi?
Oh,
No, man, I want to hear from the person.
Sir, that's not my name, sir. It's the name of the phone.
What?
Wait, so how does it pronounce?
The name
That's
of
the
the
Chinese name.
Xiaomi.
I am
Xiaomi.
I think it's a Chinese phone,
Sir,
right?
I think it's
I knew it.
Xiaomi. It's Xiaomi, sir, because in China,
Yeah,
with sir, it
it's
kind of
Chinese. So it's
emphasizes
Zayomi. I think that,
the
yeah.
then. So it's
I knew
Xiaomi.
In
it.
China,
I
they
knew-
pronounce
I
the
knew it
X
was
as
like
S.
this.
Yeah.
Oh, Xiaomi. Oh,
Xiaomi.
I pronounce it like as in.
Read next time, join with the name here, especially because you're new and I don't know your name as yet. So I'm after
My
learning.
name is Atalia.
Yeah, man, Italian. All right, thanks. I will save it. All right, he said the pie chart showed the result of 96 games played by a school football team. They lost 25% of the games and won and drew an equal number of games. And they further went on and said how many games were won. All right, before I show the option, guys, I'm gonna big it up so everybody can see it. I would want you to work it out without the option. And then when I show you the option, you say if you get the correct
Sir, what
answer.
number are we at?
We are at 26. Why not showing? Oh, it showed down here, so yeah, 26.
Sir, can I see the answers?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is something you can calculate, work it out by
Sir, I
yourself
know the
without
answer
the option.
already.
Work it
the
out, man.
answers, please?
Sir, can I see the answers?
Work it out. We literally just said that. Work it out, and then we look at the options. All right. Good luck, everyone.
Sir, may I explain?
Sir, can I volunteer?
Sir, can I explain too?
Did we have a volunteer before?
Answer.
Oh
Sir,
no.
I don't think so.
Volunteer to answer.
Sir, can I be the
Excuse me, sir. Is there any option, sir? Or is those
Yeah.
Yes,
Sir,
Shantina, but I want you guys to work it out first before we go to the options.
Sir, I am gonna send you my answer, sir. And I'm asking if I could explain.
Sir, I already worked it out, sir.
All right, send me please, and then I want more than one volunteer. So Kira is one. Who's gonna be the next person?
Nathan.
Me, sir.
All right,
And me.
that's Demara and Nathan.
Yeah.
All right,
Sir,
no problem.
volunteer.
All right, that's Shantina.
Yes, sir.
All right, let me just kind of get the names because persons. Bad name this, you know. Italian name that, you know, guys. Was it Italian Nathan as well?
Yes, sir.
Who is the fourth? Oh, Demar.
Demar.
How you spell your name? Demar.
DACMAR. That's that. Yeah, DAEMARA.
Oh, all right, cool.
Sir, how you're
I found the
writing
answer.
sir, and the way how you're writing their name, sir, and the red line showing that there's an error.
Yeah, because the computer don't know the name yet, so you'd have to add it to the dictionary. You guys do IT at school?
Repeat, sir.
You guys do information technology at school?
No, sir, that starts in high school. That's in high school.
Sir, I used to do it, but now I
Kind of
stopped.
the first I'm hearing that, sir, because I don't really do that at school yet.
Okay.
We used to do it, sir, but now we stop.
But when you go into like a workforce, you're going to be. They might hire you as a person in the IT department.
They teach us about the PowerPoint and those.
So we learn about STEM-analysis.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do it in this class, guys. For the curriculum base.
Sir,
Yes, sir. The STEM-analysis the more media the easy to find.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna take the volunteers because the background I get noisy, man. Guys, we have
can I see the
12 minutes.
option?
Oh yeah. Option time. I forget, you know. Thanks, Reggie. So you said how many games were won by that, right? Big up Adore, mom. Big up Adore, mom. People might tell us, say, me love laugh. Guys, I love some mistake. Life is beautiful, so we have to be happy, don't we? So I say, how many games were won? So, yeah. You guys used to me, but probably YouTube people are used to.
Sir, can I see option D?
D, all right, it's there. Hold on. This one is very technical, you know. So I'm eager to.
72.
Oh yeah, 72. I'm trying to go down because persons are texting me. Every time I try to click on it, it'll push me off. I'm gonna just use the cursor or something. No,
Number D is 72, sir.
Number D? Letter D?
No, the letter D is 72.
Yeah. I know, man. I mistake.
Go back a little bit, sir. Can you go back a little bit?
You want to see the writing? What the instruction said, right?
Yes, sir. To see something on the instruction that said.
She said the pie chart shows the result of 96 games played by a school football
Oh, sir, you
team.
can go back down now.
They
Can go
lost
back down.
25% of the games and won and drew an equal number of games. So that's very important. Make note of everything, guys. As I always show you, make note of all the information given. If you can take it out and write it back so you can see it in front of you.
Sir, I can scroll down so we can
You can scroll
sir,
down
can
to
the
3.
answer.
All right. All right. Marco Dean. Just realize the class.
I know the answer, sir.
Sir, I
Yes,
sent
sir.
you my
Can't
answer.
answer
Sir,
Marco
I
Dean.
also send you my answer, sir. I didn't know if you see it in the chat.
Oh, I'm not checking the
Excuse me,
chat.
sir.
But it's fine, guys. Just send them. I'm gonna check and see how many persons got what.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
You can scroll up to the information so I can write it down.
You don't need to write it down. Just write the summary of it. Because we're gonna take the presenters shortly. Kira, Shantino, Nathan, and something. Alright? Guys, I can't answer any calls. No. I'm on class. No calls, please. People listen to me and I'm gonna really accept calls. In class. Don't think it's very professional. No, them really?
Sir, I sent you my answer.
Alright, thanks. Alright, guys, because we only have 7 minutes and we have 3 presenters, I want us to
Sir, 4.
4 presenters. So 2 minutes per presenter. Starting with Kira. Still send the answers, guys, before she completes.
Okay. So my answer is A24. Sir, 124. So the bottom part where it says they lost 25% of games and won and drew an equal amount of games, sir. So I just flinged out the games they lost, sir, and I focused on drawn and won. So sir, what was the question again, sir? Could you scroll down so I can see like the question which the asked was?
Alright. They say how many games were won by the school's football team?
So we want to know how many games were won. How I know it's 24, sir, is because, sir, I would find 25% of 96, sir, which is 24. So I know that drawn would have been 24, and the number of games won would have been 24, sir. As, sir, since they're both equal, sir, so they'd have the same number, sir. So the number of games won is 24. That's my response.
Go ahead, Shantino. Shantino, what's your answer? Shantino fell off.
Looks
Alright,
like it.
Nathan. Go ahead, Nathan, till Shantino comes back.
Sir? I said, sir?
Go ahead until Shantino. I'm not hearing Shantino, so you can just pick up until.
Sir, Shantino is typing in the chat.
Oh, you might not working.
My device.
Alright, Nathan, you want to go now?
You can go if you want.
Somebody has to present, Alright, Demara, go ahead.
Sir, the way I got my answer, I had to take away 25 out of 100, which I got.
So 100 take away 25.
Yeah.
Equals 75.
25, and then I put it in.
Now you have to start from the 75. When I get the 75, what's the next step?
I think he's offline.
I think she's off. Oh Lord, it's not good.
Okay.
Nathan,
Yes,
you go ahead then. Yeah.
sir. 110. Sir. Tuna Williams is him. My mic is his mic is not working. But sir,
But you can't present if your mic not working, guys.
Sir. Bro, it's not Shantino. It's Shantino.
Shantino, yeah.
I was saying, sir, if you saw what I did, sir, basically what I did, sir, 100 subtracted by 25 equals 75, sir.
Mm-hmm.
And I divide then I divide the 75 by 25 equal 3. And then, sir, of
Thinking about it. All right. Kira, what was your answer again?
Sir, my answer was 24.
24? Okay.
Yes, sir.
mine is 72.
72 is yours? All right.
Basically, I subtract.
Anybody else want to present? Damara, you're back?
Yes, sir.
All right,
Me,
go
sir,
ahead.
me. I was saying, sir, that after I did take away the 100 from the 25 from the 100, and I got 75, I started to add. I started to add random. I started to add numbers to get to 100, and then I got 75 for the one. So my answer is D.
75? What's 72?
It's 72.
So, can I
72.
explain?
That's what I was basically trying to say, sir.
Sir,
But
Right.
was the closest.
But we are mathematicians, guys. We're not dealing with no process. We are dealing with the actual. Oh, Sarah, go ahead.
Option.
We are dealing with the actual. We are mathematicians.
There.
We not forget it. Go ahead, Osira.
Okay, so can you go up to the heading?
Yeah, I know you're gonna read it.
Yes, sir. So it says the pie chart shows the result of 96 games played by a school football team. Games and they lost 25%. They lost 25% of games and won. What?
And
They
Drew.
lost. They lost 25% of games and won and drew an equal number of games. Oh,
It just a
sorry.
see that part there. Guys,
Excuse me, sir.
4 times I say you must
Sir?
read it. 4 times.
Especially if you're a
Raji.
fast reader, read 4 times.
So, can I explain my answer?
Wait. Osira, you want Raji to go ahead? And then you come back, or you want to go now? Cause it look like Osira never see that last part, you know? Or she never interpreted correctly. Alright, go ahead, Raji.
So, first, it says, so first, my answer is B, 36. So it says 96. So there was 96 games played by the school. 25% was lost, and the game and equal number was won and drawn. So first it wouldn't be 24. It wouldn't be 24 because won and drawn would have to be bigger than the loss.
Okay.
And cannot be 48 because 48 plus 48 would be the 36. 96. And it cannot be 72 72 because 72 plus 72 would be like higher than 96.
Mm-hmm.
So the best estimate would be 36.
Sir, can I say something?
Go ahead, Kira.
Sir, my answer
Sir,
was
it
20.
can be sir, it can be a 24 because 24 plus 24, which is 48, and 48 plus whatever the loss is, because you subtract 96 from 48, and that would give you the loss section. So it can be 24.
Sir, how I did it was I was doing 25
That's true.
over
That's
1
Well, I'm going to add
divided
Kelila to
by
it. Go
96
ahead,
over 100.
Kelila. 25 over 100
25 over
times.
1 divided by, times 96 over 100, and I got 24.
All right. What's the next step?
Agree. Then after that, that is what I got, 24.
All right. So, guys, time gone enough for class to end, but let us reason it out. I am gonna agree with Raji, even though he couldn't work it out fully. But let's just reason it and talk about it. I know persons are thinking 24 and I
Sir,
said, Sir Bennett
sir.
has gone crazy. But I don't think it's 24. Let me tell you why I don't think that, guys. And tell me if you agree with me. It says the pie chart shows the results of 96 games played by a school football team. They lost 25% of the games. So you see, this 25% that you guys found, this represent the loss. So this 24 here, and I think that's where the interpretation went wrong. Persons were saying, the question didn't ask how many were lost, See there, it said how many games were won. So if you have a total of 96 and they lost 24 games, and the number of games won and drawn should be the same, how could we get that from that now? We know that it's 96 games, right?
Oh, sir, what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 24 from 96 and then divide it by 2.
Exactly. So you're going to subtract that first because this 72 represent the total games that between won and drawn. So then now, because we know that it's an equal amount, we divide it by 2, and that's how we get the 36. So it's actually 36, as Rajay said. Rajay did not provide an explanation, but we can't kill him for that. Let's look at one more, guys. This one was because we had completed this one in the morning class, so we kind of want to complete this. So those who can stay.
Excuse me, sir. Can I explain
Sir.
it, please, sir?
All right. Yeah,
Sir.
Nathan. Yeah, man, go ahead.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Jonathan.
Sir, I worked it out, sir, and I got B, sir. Cause, sir, you see, sir? So when I did got 72, sir, what I did, sir, I divided by 2, sir. The reason why I say that, sir, because the 1 plus the loss make up the draw. Or maybe like that, sir. And so when I got 36, sir, I add another 36 plus the 24, which I got 96, sir. So that's why I said
Yeah.
B.
Yeah, and guys, that was one of the things that I'm a bit surprised because let's look at Kira theory. Kira said it's 24. Let's make it make sense. So this is 24, right? Kira, did I defend 24 doing that, guys? I lie. But look at it, Kira. If you add 24 and 24, that's what, 48? And 48 plus 24 don't give you the 96. And this is saying that all the games were equal. You see it? He didn't give us 96. So, because remember, those that are drawn and won would be the same. So both would be 24. So that wouldn't work out. So I think that's what Raji did. He did trial and error. So what he did was put the 36 in 30 and 36, yeah, 72, and then he added 24 and he got back the 96. Nothing is wrong with that, really, These were the persons who present on the morning shift. Let me delete those names. But this is it, guys. This was a very interesting question. I could do that one here before we leave. He said, which figure completes?
I'm supposed to explain it.
Yeah, man. Nathan will explain it. We remember Nathan. All right? And that will take us out. Those who find YouTube class are from 5 to 6, but we are go one more.
Sir, can I explain to you?
All right, so Dominic as well.
Yippee.
Can we get another?
Me, Kalila.
Elida.
Me, sir.
But we don't know who is the me again. What's your name?
Matalia. I think it's Mati.
Atalia.
Mati.
Atalia.
Yeah, Matalia.
So you can just call me Leah for short.
No, man. You don't want to spoil your name. Atalia, right?
Atalia is
Yes,
Oh, Atalia. Oh, I thought it was
Okay.
Matalia.
All right. Let me see if somebody else going to. Oh. Don't you ready to go? Oh, all right. And I mean, quickly walk with you. All right, we're gonna take the presenters, guys, because remember, say class finish, we don't want to keep.
Sir, what class is in?
Sir, can I?
You don't want to go first, Nathan?
Yes, sir. I want to go first, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Sir.
sir. Sir, can you scroll up, please?
All right, hold on there, guys. Let me bring it down a notch little so we can see everything. All right, cool.
Sir, okay, sir, my explanation is going to be great, sir. Okay, sir. As you can see, sir, it said which figure completes the series by replacing the question mark in the box above. It says, as it's shown the figures, sir, you realize that first there's one hole, another hole, then a box, and then a box. Then now the box is up top and the hole is still at the side and the box is still at the same place as the hole, sir. No, the box and the hole replace the sides of each other, and the box is up and the circle is down. And it also what replaced the question mark, sir. So basically, sir, as you can see, sir, the answer would have been A, sir.
All right, thanks so much. Dominic, your time.
Yes, sir. The question says which
Oh,
figure
sir, I made a mistake, sir. Sir, I made a mistake right there. I'm sorry. Sorry to butt in. Sir, I made a mistake with A. It's not A, sir.
What's the answer now?
No, it's A. Sorry. It's A.
What? All right, go ahead, Dominic.
So, sir, the question says which figure completes the series by replacing the question mark in the box above. So, sir, it showed us 3 images.
Oh, let me show one more. That's what I'm trying to do. 4 images, yeah.
So the first image in the box shows us a square and a circle, sir. And then at the side it shows us a circle and the square. So at the next circle, at the next image, the circle and the squares are on the same side, mister. And the ones that are going up are in a opposite direction, sir. So, sir, and the next one shows us a square and a circle that are on the same side as before. And now, sir, the one that are going up are in the same direction, sir. So the answer I got was A.
Okay, Kelila, thanks so much, Dominic. Welcome to the class, by the way. Can we have Kelila now, please? Kelila is not there. All right, we are going to Atalia then.
Sir, I'm here.
All right. So
What
go
I
ahead,
chose
Kelly.
for my answer was C.
C as in cat. All
Yes,
right.
sir. The reason why I say this is when we are looking at the first diagram, it shows the circle on top and the square on bottom. Then it shows the square on top, the circle on bottom, and it goes for the diagram after that. I realize it's a pattern. Circle on top, 2 squares on top, and then you're going to have another circle on top. That's why I chose C. But you might be saying, but A does the same thing. You also have to look at the 2 dark circles and squares. When you look at them, you realize that it's always going circle, circle, square, square.
Oh, and you don't think A fit that?
Sir, I have a different answer.
So you don't think A fit that description, right? All right. So somebody else said they wanted to go. Go ahead.
There's Atalia.
Sir,
Can I go?
Yeah, man. Go ahead, Kira.
Sir, my answer is B, sir. Sir, why I say it's B, sir? Sir, if you look, sir, it has the circle, then square down, circle on top, square down the bottom, then circle, then square side. So sir, then it goes to square and then circle, but then it leaves the same pattern with the circle and the square when it's going side by side, sir. And then it left the square on top and the circle on the bottom, and then it moved one to the other side, sir. And B shows it moving only the side, sir, because you would see both of them being left, just like how the side and side were left, sir. It's now time in the pattern, sir, for the top and bottom to be the same, sir. And
Oh.
just side, sir.
So your answer is B as in bat?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Also, I'm sticking with my A.
sir,
All right. Me kind of understand what Kira is saying. I wasn't looking at that way, but so let's talk about it. This is my opinion. Remember, guys, we don't necessarily have to be right, but this is what I am seeing. He said, which figure complete the series? So first, what I observed was the little pattern here. They had this circle and then this square, both black. Those remain the same in the first two. However, I noticed they switched these. So that's what I was looking at. They switch these every single time. So they switch these. All right. So here again, these are the same now. Oh, this one follow this one. They didn't switch it again. The mirror never switch it.
That was saying, sir. That was what I was saying, sir. That's why I pick A.
So
Sir,
now it's time to switch it now, right? I'm
yes,
thinking
sir.
it's time to switch it, you know.
But
Yeah,
sir,
guys, I think it's time to switch it based on that. So I would have this up here and then this. The next challenge now would be to figure out which of these we would put. Is it the black square, this one square, and this one circle, the black one? Which is which? In this one, both of them were going the same direction. So they have this first, this first. So in this, I'm thinking the black one should go with this one now. You know, I'm thinking this would be the black square now. Because you realize that with this, 1, 2, you switch it up now. So I'm thinking they would have 2 of them. So that's why I think it's A. But everybody,
Yes, sir. I agree with you.
Yes, sir.
exactly, sir.
I
The one
check on
who
YouTube
gets
as
C,
well.
excuse me, sir. The one
Yeah, man,
who
go ahead.
gets C, sir. I knew she was she said about the square following the circle, sir, something like that, sir. So and she said about it's the same thing as A, sir. But sir, as you can see, sir, the third figure, sir, is they switch it up, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
they did.
So it would have been A, sir, because as you can see, sir, figure 1 and figure 2 is in the same but the square and the circle switch up, sir.
Yeah, that is true. Well, both of them are square and circle, but the light one, right? The light one switched up.
Yes, sir. So the third figure, which is the square, which they switch the square and the circle, so it would have to be A because it's the same.
Sir, can I say something?
Couldn't be B, couldn't be C or D, sir.
All right. Kira want to defend our point again. Go ahead, Kira.
Why I understand what you guys are saying with A, sir, but also this could be so for the first one it's on top, but then for the second one, no, sir, they switched it. But as in the first one, sir, they still have the side to side the same, and they had the side to side the same. So they still have the square and the circle
Which
the
one they
same.
call side to side? This, right? This one, right?
So the colored, the shaded one, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, so
So
they have
wouldn't
this
this be side to side? Then this is black, and then this one over here is the circle. Because I think you're saying what we are saying, you know, they should be the same, black and black, right? Like how they have this circle, this.
time
Remember,
to
everybody
switch
just look on it from their perspective. But when you say they are side to side, you're actually saying what we are saying. No.
So I'm saying that it should switch out as the first side to switch, and then the side to side are the same. So it's time for the top and the bottom to be the same, and the side to side to switch. So that's what I'm saying.
Okay. But if they are the same, that means we should have get a square and then a circle, right? Or you're saying that the two the one upright should be the same. At no point did they do that, do you know? Because if you're gonna have this to be the same and the same, they didn't do that here. They didn't do that here. So I'm thinking they change it up. I think it should switch up. That's my opinion. But you know me, I always listen to you guys and others. Big up everybody on YouTube. Winfred Powell, best something in the world. Starboy, Joshua Buchanan. You know the name there, you know? Joshua supposed to know my class. Nico, Javon, FN, Doc. I could see if we can do one more, guys.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
These are one in the comment section.
Sorry, can you explain the other one, please?
All right, he said 3 friends went out for dinner at a restaurant. Betty had the salmon with potatoes for $3,080. Mike had the soup of the day and beef for $4,200. The man the chest high, no man. Jessica had the salad with chickpeas and a pudding for dessert for $4,720. The friend decided to split the bill, the check equally. What did each person pay? Easy. Easy. That one here, easy. Work it out.
No, sir.
Big up everybody on YouTube, alright? Big up my class. Thanks for giving me permission to go live. Can't do this every Sunday, you know, guys.
Sir, when we reach number 30, we're ending.
No, this one is the last one. Next week we continue.
Sir, am I supposed to send you my answer?
Yeah, man, still send it, guys. You know, we rule never change, right? We just work. Persons are texting me, but they don't realize I'm in class. Everyone, I will respond to your messages. Maybe inbox full up. Plus, my students texting me now. And enough students
Can I explain?
Kira, give somebody a chance, man. Because you just explained the one a while ago and the one before.
Sir, can I explain?
Sir, I asked if I could explain first.
But Nathan, you get chance already, man. We could give the persons who are shy. We want them to be confident like you guys. You know? Remember I always say that?
Sir, can I explain, sir?
and Rory.
Sir,
Rory
can
and
I explain?
that's Rory, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Want
can I
everybody
explain?
want everybody to build them confidence.
Sir, can I explain?
Number 20.
Want everybody to build them confidence. Hey, I'm on class here. I soon talk to you. I'm on class now.
Sir, can I explain?
Oh, oh Lord. But you know, so we're supposed to end right from 5 to 6. Let me WhatsApp you.
Sir, can I explain?
Akira is gonna explain and worry. And then we end here. Let me add you. The
Okay, sir.
class is on YouTube. Bro.
Sir, should I start?
Yeah, go ahead, Akira. Remember, say we're 20 minutes out of class, you know. So
Sir,
YouTube people, wanna spread the word. Sunday we'll be back.
sir,
Alright?
so what I did, I add 3,080, 4,200, and 4,720, and I got 12,000, and I divided that by 3 since there are 3 persons, and then I got my answer as 4,000.
Alright. Go ahead now, Rory.
Sir, I got my answer by doing the same exact thing. I just
I got
added
the same
everything and
exact thing
divided
as her.
it by 3, and I got 4,000. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So both of you got the same thing. So guys, we don't need to check it. I'm confident. I have confidence in my
Sir,
students.
I agree with them.
Hmm?
Sir, I agree with them. Yes, sir. Sir, I definitely agree with them.
Okay, alright. Thanks again, guys. And everybody have a different timetable. So I will see some persons Tuesday, some Thursday, some Friday, some Saturday. But everybody should know their own timetable.
Some stood and some.
So take care, guys. Big
Bye,
up everybody who joined on
Bye,
YouTube. We do
sir.
it
Bye,
again.
sir.
We do it
Bye,
again.
sir.
All right.
Bye, sir.
Bye, guys. Take care. Great
Bye,
job as
sir.
usual. Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Thanks for staying over the time. All right.
No
Not
problem.
everyone stayed, you know, but thanks to
Bye,
those who stayed.
sir.
Bye. Take care. Big
See
up.
you Saturday, sir.
Definitely.
Sir,
All right.
did
Keep
you know
working.
that mathematics was
Sir.
one of my favorite subjects, sir?
Why is the was? Why it isn't is? Why it's not your favorite anymore?
Well, the maths. Well, I'm not saying I'm not good at maths, sir. I am excellent at maths, sir. But when it comes to maths, sir, it doesn't really work out for me that good.
Well, we have to change that, right? Once you link up
Same
with
with
me,
me.
guys, it have to work out.
Like 25 plus 25 is 625.
Here, we have to change that, man. Once your parents link you up with me, you know, say things have to change, right? For the better.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, man, definitely. Yeah, Jonathan.
So did I told you that I got a 93% on mental, sir?
Yeah, man, you did. Excellent. Great
Oh.
job, man. Great job. Keep it up, man.
Sir.
Yeah.
In
Proud of you
class,
guys.
I got 39 out of 40.
Awesome. Awesome. Proud of you guys, man. Just keep it up. And parents, see the number there? Students who are watch. Share this number to your parents. Probably they can make you be a part of the marathon and you can learn something. We're trying to help as many persons as possible, but we can't help you if you're not in the class, right? So just carry this number to your parents and make them know, say, you want to join the class if you're interested or whatever. All right?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So guys, take care till next week. You two people, big up yourself. See you guys soon, all right? We'll have more videos coming out. Bye, guys.
Subscribe to Lennox Minute.
Excuse me, sir.
Big up, eh?
I just want to explain how I got the answer.
But they explained already.
Sir, I want to explain it in my own way.
Sir,
Alright, go
also
ahead.
got a different answer from 4,000.
So step 1, I calculate the total cost. So first, I need to find out the cost of the dinner by adding up what each person spends. So I add the number. So I don't have to explain this, sir. I just add up what each person spent. And then I divide the total cost equally.
By what number?
3.
Okay. So what you got for the total? You got 4,000?
Yes,
12,000?
sir.
All right. So it's correct then. 4,000 is the correct answer.
Sir,
So
from
take
step
care.
1 to that 12,000.
Yeah. All right. So take care. Next week, guys. All day me a teach you, so I'm tired. So later we link up.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care, guys.
Bye, sir. Adios, amigos.
Yeah. Take care. I don't know Spanish like you guys, but take care. Big up everyone from YouTube. Much love, everyone. All right.
Yes,
Adios.
sir.